performed on the celestial tunes of the Carnatic music. Bharatanatyam comes from the state of Tamil Nadu in south. The dance form is known for its beautiful body movements and gestures, which are called mudras in the traditional language. Coming from the northern part of the country from the state of Uttar Pradesh, Kathak comes from the word Katha, which means story in Hindi. Kathak is often referred to as the dance of love, and it can be performed by both by the male and female dancer together. Coming from the southern region of the country from Kerala, Kathakali is one of the most renowned and religious dances forms of India. Kathakali includes the intriguing face movements and the heavy costumes, which include the traditional face masks and body paints, generally green. Belonging to the Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi is probably the toughest form of classical dance in India. Kuchipudi is not just considered as the dance but a whole religious procedure dedicated to God, which includes certain rituals such as sprinkling the holy water, burning the incense sticks and praying to God. Odissi dance form comes from the state of Odisha in the eastern part of India. The traditional dance has been derived from the Hindu temples in Odisha. Most of the gestures and movements, mudras, are inspired by the sculptures and idols belonging to the ancient temples of India. Sattriya dance form comes from the state of Assam. This dance was an artistic way of presenting mythological teachings. As you stroll towards the northeast India, which is brimming with the rich tradition and their unique culture, Manipuri comes as an important symbol to represent the state of Manipur from the region. This dance form is performed to narrate the romantic relationship between the Hindu gods Radha and Krishna, which is famously known as Raslila. Mohiniattam is the second most popular dance form of Kerala. In Indian mythology, Mohini is the female avatar of Lord Vishnu, and the meaning of Attam in Malayalam is rhythmic motion, hence adhering to the dance of the divine enchantress.